How to make Instagram account private. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Remember that this will only work if you have a personal account, as the creator and business account are meant to be public. With that said, let's get started. Open Instagram and log in to your account. Once you do that, click on the profile icon. Click on the three horizontal lines at the top right of the screen. From the pop-up menu list at the bottom, click on Settings. Then click on Privacy. From the Account Privacy section, turn the Private Account toggle on. From the pop-up window at the bottom, click on Switch to Private to confirm. And that's it. That's how to make Instagram account private. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.